Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add voiceover on Filmora. Adding a voiceover in Filmora application on your mobile device allows you to narrate or provide additional audio commentary onto your videos. So here is how you can add a voiceover using Filmora. First of all, install and open up the Filmora application on your mobile device. Once you're in the main home page, click on the New Project button and select one of the video clips or images you want to edit from your camera roll or other sources. After you select a video to import, click on the Import button at the bottom right. You will now be taken to the Edit page. The imported clip or image will now appear on the timeline. Now, click on the audio option at the bottom of the screen after you import your clip, and then click on the Record button at the bottom right corner. But before clicking on record, if you want to remove your existing video clip's audio, click on this little speaker icon appearing at the top left. This will mute your original audio from the video. Now you can click on record at the bottom right. Click on allow in the pop-up to record the audio or your voiceover. Tap on allow and then tap on the red record button in order to record your audio or your voiceover. After you've recorded enough, you can also apply voice effects to your audio. Click on voice effect on the bottom right. Choose the voice effects from the categories displayed on the screen and preview your video by clicking on the play button at the top. And after you are happy with your result, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right. And that way you will be able to voice over on Filmora application. Once satisfied with the voiceover recording, tap on Export at the top right corner, select an export option and follow through the instructions to save your video onto your device's gallery or share it to any other platforms. So that's how you can easily add voiceover on Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.